Hello, and welcome to episode number 2 of Critical Tutorials. My name's Camasso, and episode number 2 will be covering men's grooming products, the newest, the latest, and the greatest, and all formats. So once again, welcome to Critical Tutorials. This is episode number 2 on men's grooming products. Hello and welcome to Critical Tutorials. This is episode number 2 on men's grooming products. Today we're going to be going over all the products that we have found to be the best in the men's grooming products category. We have ordered over 50 different products from a variation of vendors, and what we have found and compiled will be the latest and the greatest in men's grooming products. So first we're going to start with the old school throwaway, and those are your disposable razors. We chose the top 3 out of about 8 that we've tried out. One is going to be your standard 2-blade by BRUIT, B-R-U-I-T. This is a standard 2-blade disposable razor. These we find to last about 2 to 3 shaves for a standard full shave on a full face. They are disposable, however, you do end up getting nicked and cut with these, as there is absolutely no lubrication strip, which is a great recommendation if you're going to be getting disposable razors. Second, we have, and this is from Razors Direct. The next 2 are going to be from Razors Direct, also available at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and Family Dollar, all branded under their own categories. So Dollar General is DG brand, so on and so forth. But this is your standard 3-blade with a lubrication strip. They usually come with a green handle and a black underside. These are great razors. They do work very effectively, and they run around $4 for a package of 4. These you can find in any dollar store for a package of 8 for around $1, between 6 and 8 razors for $1. And last but not least, the more expensive variety, but this is also available at any of the stores, all available. This is the 4-blade razor. Now this one comes with the lubrication strip as well as an edger, which are very important if you're going to be, trimming down and cutting your beard and lining it properly. So this is probably going to be your best method for a disposable razor. And as I mentioned, these are available in just about every store, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walmart. They all have their own branded name. However, the 4-strip is always going to be manufactured for the most part by Razors Direct. You can also purchase them at razorsdirect.com and save a fortune by buying in bulk. Next, we're going to move on to the semi-disposable razors. And by semi-disposable, that is your stick, which you retain, and then the disposable cartridge style. So we are going to go over the top 3 brands in those as well. First, which is going to come in 3rd place, so still an excellent product, but 3rd out of the 3, I have Harry's. Harry's products are a little pricey. You're going to be paying $10 per the unit, which comes with 1 blade, as well as your upkeep on them is between $12 and $16 for a package of 4 razors. Harry's is a very good product. They came up probably around 5 or 6 years ago, utilizing Target and Walmart as their primary source for distribution. They did a fantastic job marketing them, as well as creating a great online presence. I do credit a lot of their success to their marketing strategy. However, they do offer a great quality product that is very easy to use. They are available in 3 and I believe 5-blade formats. And I chose the 3-blade format, and it did work excellent. But what I found is their trimming is not as close, and you have to make multiple trips as compared to the next 2 that we'll be going over. Next, we have the Schick Extreme 3. This is a great blade. This I have found to be a wonderful product. This would have come in number 1 if the price wasn't a little more cost effective. Our first place product has all 3 categories that we need to follow. So this is a wonderful product. This probably has, in my opinion, the best shave by minuscule amounts, which is important for many people if finances are not that important. But as at the time we're making this video during the COVID-19 outbreak, when everybody is doing their own grooming, which is why we felt this important and why it was requested upon us to make this tutorial video. This is more a product tutorial video, giving you an idea of which products work best for what. And as I had mentioned, we already went over the disposables. Now we are on the cartridge and semi-disposable, and this is number 2, your Schick Extreme 3. These are available in 4-pack cartridges. Once you purchase the stick, it comes with 1 blade, and then you would purchase your 4 to 8 cartridge packages, which are available online for a very, very affordable rate of around $20 for 4 cartridges, but each cartridge will last close to a month. So you are getting more use out of these blades. I believe they are made of titanium, which would last you substantially longer, does prevent from rust. A lot of the cheaper blades you're going to find, the disposables, will be made out of a material that will eventually rust. So you do want to stay away from that. And last but not least, we have a varying stick style, but overall an identical product. So these are manufactured and distributed as the 5-blade cartridge products for all of the major distributors. So you have the Rite Aid version, which is number 5 on the stick. You have the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General, the Family Dollar. All of these brands all utilize the same stick and same style 5-blade cartridges. These are by far the best overall value, the best overall cut, and just a fantastic blade, and it's definitely something I highly recommend. These products plan to be around for a very long time. The sticks will vary. Like I said, there's completely different styles, which is great depending on the shape and contour that you want. I highly recommend looking into these. They are the generic, if you will, 5-blade cartridge razors. All of these products, I'm going to give you links in the description below so you can attain these products for yourself. But this by far is the best overall cartridge razor available for men's grooming. Okay, and then we are going to move on to a product that can be used with both of those style blades, and that is your shaving gel or shaving cream. We have found that while shaving cream is the old school and preferred by some, we have found that the gels are just more of a general lubrication based material. There's absolutely more per bottle based on the gel. It expands. It is a wonderful product. It does coat, moisturize, and takes care of your skin. Highly recommended use with any razors anytime you're shaving. Even though you may be able to shave without gel, you have no idea how much this does for your skin. So there is Gillette, there is Edge, and the Equate. Now, Gillette and Equate are identical products. I can tell you from experience that I have used both, and both are literally almost identical in smell, quality, lubrication, everything. Obviously, Gillette would be the more expensive. So Gillette is going to run you around $6 to $5 for a 6 to 7 ounce bottle. Second place, we have Edge. They are doing a 20% more right now, so their bottle does look a lot larger than many of the manufacturers. However, it is a little bit pricier of a product. You're going to be looking, like I said, between $5 and $6 for these name brand products, but this one does have extra moisturization. It does have vitamin E, a couple aloes in there, and it does help, and it really is a great product. So that would be my second place. And believe it or not, Walmart again, generic again, the Equate Shave Gel with Aloe is by far my personal favorite. You get more out of this than any other product. It expands to a great deal. You just need a little pea-size amount to cover per side, and it is a fantastic shave gel product. So those would be my 3 high recommendations. We have Gillette, Edge, and Equate will be the 3 shaving creams for men's grooming. And finally, we move into the electronic products. There are a great deal of electronic products out there for shaving. We have literally tried 9 of the primary, the main ones, and I narrowed it down to 2 for shaving and 1 for nose and ear grooming. So we'll start with the nose and ear grooming. There are a ton of these on the market. You can even find them in Dollar Tree for $1. But what you will find is the razors do not last any more than 2 to 3 uses, and they are basically a product whose motor will not last. Conair manufactures a brand. It's very friendly on the wallet. You're under $10 for this unit. It runs on, if I'm not mistaken, a single AA battery. So, something you have laying around your house. So it's not something you have to worry about charging or going for a crazy size or cell battery. It is a highly effective product. It works well within your nose. It gets all those unsightly nose hairs out of the way, and it is an affordable and safe way to do so. So my number 1 recommendation for nose and ear groomers would be the Conair, as Conair has manufactured the highest quality product for what we have located. Next, we will move on to rotary style shavers. We have tried 4 different models, from everywhere from Norelco all the way down to even the economy volumes that we found on Wish, or versions rather. So now what we have, and what we have found to be the most effective, would be your Philips Norelco. The Norelco PT724 by Philips, the All Groom. As you can see, it is a blue, white, and black product. You're going to use your standard Philips plug-in charger, which is great if you have multiple products from Philips. You only need to save one of the chargers and store one so you don't lose it. It's also good to keep in your travel bag if you get multiples. This is something that you can travel with. This is something that has a pop-up side groomer, which is great for sideburns, trimming a little bit in the front if it's getting a little long, so on and so forth. This will get you an extremely nice, close, smooth shave. Easy to clean, pops right off. You're able to run this under water and rinse it. The product battery will last you well over a month per charge, as long as you're using it between once and twice a week. So it has a fantastic battery life. This product is definitely something that I have seen on the market for a good deal of time now, and they just keep getting better and better as far as quality goes, but the price stays and maintains between $40 and $60 for this unit. However, the amount of money that you're going to save by not purchasing a ton of these will save you a great deal in the end. It's always good to maintain both of these products, one for obviously touch-up and immediate shaving, and this will get rid of the majority and save you a fortune in the repurchase of cartridges and razor blades. So my highest recommendation would be for this, the Philips Norelco 3-blade Comfort Cut. It is an amazing product, and this serial number on this is the PT724. So check into that. It is a fantastic product for between the $40 and $60 price range, and it is my primary choice for men's grooming products. Now, we have one more category, and that is the all-around trimmers, the all-in-ones, if you will. And that is exactly what this next product is called. This is the Philips Norelco All-in-One, also known as the MC5750. Now, this is a very, very good product from Philips Norelco. These are running anywhere between $40 and $60 as well. However, this is a very universal tool. You may not need to purchase this if you plan to invest in something like this. This has a multitude of simple removable heads. A lot of times when you purchase these, they're a pain in the butt. Click on, snap on. This could not be any easier, and we're done. To remove it, you're done. Pop it in, you're done. So let's go over the attachments so you understand, and I can give you a little bit of a tutorial on how to utilize this to its max. You can cut your hair, you can cut your beard, you can groom yourself anywhere you see fit, and you can do so with style. This has extreme precision. Most of these, when you purchase them, you have a standard blade and you hook on your random attachments to do certain tasks. This is a whole different ballgame. So we have 2 separate main blades. You have your standard blade for your face, and you have your expanded blade for hair. Now, these are wonderful. All of them are super simple, snaps right in place, locked in, won't go anywhere unless you give it a nice tug. So when you're doing your hair, you have no issues. These also have wonderful slide on and lock attachments, a variety of attachments. You can do just about everything. They even include tapered attachments, shorter attachments, longer attachments, every possible size and length for your beard and even your hair, all the way up to, I believe, a 1 inch. So don't expect, you know, an amazing multi-purpose tool. You can, from what I understand, you can purchase additional lengths online through philipsnorelco.com. However, these are the 2 standard blades, and they will literally get all of your hair care needs done. Then we move on to other attachments, which is your ear and eyebrow trimmers. So you have an eyebrow trimmer and an ear trimmer. Once again, super simple snap, a very small blade area, so you have very good control and accuracy. And then we move on to why I mentioned you may not need the Conair. It even has a rotary nose clip attachment. Very quiet product, very easy to control product. The vibrations don't force you to make moves that you didn't want to make. It is a very easy to use device. It even comes with hair clip attachments to do length control, so on and so forth, as well as it even has a slide glide, which is basically a pop on top where you can move up and down with length without even removing the clip. This by far is the best product on the market. Now, Philips also makes a flat-headed version of this. While that is a great product for up close and trimming, I would recommend this over that for the simple fact that this does get you a better, closer shave, and the blades are substantially cheaper when you do need to replace them. These, from what I understand, are very easily cleaned and very easily sharpened, so you may not ever need to repurchase these, but these are all separate accessories, which make these all purchasable when you destroy, break, or, I mean, there are working parts and moving parts on these devices, so it is easy to probably break them down the line once they get older and the plastics start to wear. So the good part about products like this is Philips does have a great service website where you can go on and get these products taken care of and maintain them. A lot of these products will come with a little bit of drops of oil. Please oil your products. That not only helps keep the blades sharp, but it'll also help you when it comes time for getting stuck in your hair and whatnot. I don't know if you've ever had a razor stick in your hair and you have to literally pull the hair from the root, but it is not fun. So make sure that you're maintaining all of these products. All of these products, none of these were sent to us by any of these companies. These are all products we purchased on our own to provide you with quality, proper information so that when you go out and it's your turn to buy these men's grooming products, you know the products on the market and you have an idea on what works. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope you've learned something today from our volume number 2, episode 2 on critical tutorials. This was the episode on men's grooming products. My name is Corey Camasso. Thanks for watching, and if you have any suggestions on future tutorials or product reviews, something that you would like to see done, please comment and like the subscriptions below. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Corey Camasso, and have a great day.